So if you're a female passing out in 2025 or passing out in 2024, this can be the best opportunity for you to get a role of a software engineer intern or a software engineer full-time at Amazon. So Amazon WoW is currently open for the next batch of 2024 and 2025. This is an event that will be running throughout the year, and you will be getting a chance to attend different webinars. You will get a chance to give tests for software engineering internship. You will get a chance to give tests for full-time roles as well as give interviews at Amazon for different roles. So make sure you do participate in this challenge. In this video, we're going to discuss entirely about how to participate, what all things are necessary, what will the test consist of, how can you ace this test, how should you prepare for it right away so that you are not puzzled at the last moment. So make sure you do watch this video till the end. If you're new to this channel, make sure you do hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and let's start with the video. So the first thing that I would like to show is the official portal of Amazon WoW, the link to which is there in the description. You can go and check that out. Here you need to click on the register button. Once you click on the register button, you need to fill in your details: first name, last name, email, phone number, current student, college name, degree, yes, year of graduation, whether you are 2024, 2025, 2026 graduate. So they're looking out for first year, second year, third year girls who are female, who identify themselves as female, and they are looking out for a career at company like Amazon. You need to give your LinkedIn profile also. Make sure your LinkedIn profile is well versed. If it is not there, do let me know. I'll make a video on it. Also upload your resume. This resume will be used by a company for shortlisting you, for sending you invites. So make sure you upload the resume carefully, right? And they have specifically mentioned that based upon this, they will be considering that you are interested in a role at Amazon. So this is an opportunity. So what all will be there, we'll discuss about it in the further video. You can check it out. What is Amazon WoW? What's there for you? It's for all women students across engineering campuses in India. Someone who is currently pursuing a 4-year BTech, BE, MCA, MTech, ME, everyone is eligible, right? So there are going to be sessions in 2023 January. There'll be a session on resume. There'll be a session on careers at Amazon in Feb. Amazon leadership principles in Feb again. Career coaching with Amazon leaders, women in leadership, code yourself, and introduction to programming. And after this April, you will be getting a chance to interview to get an online assessment at Amazon. So what is going to be the course of this? Let's just discuss about it here. So as you can see, the eligibility for this is 2024, 2025, 2026 female passouts also. The roles that they're looking out for currently is full-time software engineer as well as SD intern, 2 months and 6 months. These are the roles that they hired through Amazon WoW. What is the CTC of full-time roles? CTC that Amazon is currently offering is close to 44 lakhs per annum, which includes 26 base. I'm not saying 26 base, it's instead of base, it's a cash component that you'll be getting in the first year. So this is the cash component that you get in the first year, plus you'll get stocks plus joining bonus. Stipend that they offer is close to 1 lakh per month, plus you'll be getting a relocation bonus if you need that. So this is basically about Amazon WoW, what all things are necessary and how can you participate in it. Before we move ahead with this video, let me tell you about a special platform known as Next Level, through which you can not only get job opportunities but multiple other perks as well. What you all need to do is you need to download an app, you need to give your test, you need to build your expertise, you need to give the test, unlock multiple job opportunities. So how it all works, let's check out. So Next Level helps you create the most important professional profile for your career. Here you need to give multiple coding competitions, and you can invite your friends also for these coding competitions. Once you give these coding competitions, your rating will increase and that will unlock more opportunities for you, more job opportunities for you. Next Level has already partnered with multiple companies, be it service-based companies like TCS or be it companies in startup world like Scalar. So you have chances of getting into a lot of companies through Next Level. It's also something that you should consider downloading and checking it out once. Currently the app is free and you don't need to pay anything. It is available on Android platform, Play Store to download. Currently it's not available on iOS, but it will soon be available on iOS to download also. You can join the waitlist. I have also downloaded it and joined the waitlist. I'm currently at 148. You can also join it right now and check it out to get the free access for this particular application. Along with that, if you'll share it with your friends, your waitlist number is going to increase. So make sure you share it with your friends as much as possible. Next, how this process is going to be and how it is going to be aligned. Firstly, you'll be having sessions. I've shown you which all sessions you will be having. So multiple different sessions based upon leadership principles, based upon resume building, careers, women in leadership. So multiple different sessions will be there. Also, there'll be some sessions on data structural algorithms, programming and stuff like that. After these sessions, you will be invited for online assessment at Amazon. Once you clear that online assessment, there will be 2 tech interviews and 1 hiring manager round. We'll discuss in detail about what is going to be there in the online assessment and what are going to be the interviews based upon, right? So if you're someone who is watching this for the very first time, make sure you do hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Let's keep the like target of this video as 1500 likes so that more and more people can know about such opportunities and we can help everyone. So this online assessment for internship, let's say if you're a second year student and you're looking out for an SD internship at Amazon, the online test will be having 4 different parts. So the first part is going to be an debugging section. There'll be 7 questions based upon debugging. You will have questions in which you need to find out the error in a code snippet and you need to tell. So it can be an error also, it can be some mistake of syntax also. So you need to identify and you need to tell. So it's a very simple round. If you have like practiced very basic coding, you know basic fundamentals of coding, you will be able to ace this round. After this, there's a round known as aptitude round for interns, in which you'll be getting around 24 to 25 questions. And it's also a very easy round if somebody is good at maths, so you can solve it very, very quickly. Next round is you don't need to specifically prepare for first and second round. Third round is basically a coding round in which you'll be getting 2 questions, and these will be statement questions. Like you'll be given some scenario. Let's say Amazon is doing this and this. Amazon Fresh is delivering orders, and there's a statement that is framed. So you'll need to find out which data structure to use, how to solve that problem. So the level of questions is, I would say, medium level lead code questions. Not very tough, not very easy. So it's a medium level lead code questions. You need to spend some time to understand and think. But overall, I would say the level of the test is easy to medium, not very tough. After that, there's a leadership principles round, that in which you will be asked some MCQs, around 50 MCQs based upon your general thinking, whether you like to wear a watch or not, whether you like to wake up early or not. So this is basically to test your personality. So this is going to be the online assessment. Once you clear this, you will be invited for interviews. For full-time roles, in some cases, you will see that they don't take this 4 parts of a test. You will have only data structural algorithms test, that is mandatory. After this, there are interviews for internship. Like if they are going through Amazon WoW, you might have either a single round of interviews or at max 2 rounds of interviews. Single round of interviews, it will be a coding round in which you'll be asked 2 data structural problems to be solved in 45 minutes, and that's it. Once you clear this round, you get a chance to do an internship at Amazon. Else, there can be second round, hiring manager round. It will be a generalized round in which you might be asked about data structural algorithms, might be asked about your resume, might be asked about your project. So might be asked about leadership principles. So what are leadership principles? There are 16 leadership principles of Amazon. I'll give the link to these leadership principles in the description. You can go through these and you need to align your answers based upon these leadership principles, how you will be depicting these leadership principles in the type of work that you will do at Amazon. This is something that should be there in your answers, right? So this is very, very important. After that, for full-time role, there are 2 technical interviews, 1 hiring manager round, 2 technical interviews, again in the same format, 45 minutes, 2 questions, 2 data structural algorithm questions in most cases. Some of the interviews might ask you questions related to computer science fundamentals as well, but major focus is on DSA. After this, there's 1 hiring manager round. It's also a generalized round. It can be based upon anything, any topic, but more of you should prepare for leadership principles in the final or the third round. What are the resources that you should prepare? There are a lot of resources. Like major focus, if I talk about in Amazon interviews, is data structural algorithm. If you're good at DSA, you're good to go with the entire process, starting from the online assessment to the final interviews. Second, thorough with the leadership principles. For some rounds, you should know what all these leadership principles mean and how can you frame up answers. Pick some things that you have done in your college life, done in your projects, done in some hackathons, and how you can relate those things to the answers that you're giving. So this is something that you should priorly work upon before moving to the interviews. Next is time management. Time management is also very necessary because if you'll spend a lot of time in one single question in the interview, right, then in 45 minutes only a single question will be done. So that's a negative point. You need to solve 2 questions in 45 minutes. That's the minimum necessity for getting into the next round. So make sure you manage your time well. Don't give too much time to one single question. If you know the question, take some time to explain the approach and understand what the interviewer is asking, then only like give it the approach, then move to the next question. Don't waste a lot of time on one single question, right? So this is a must apply opportunity for all female candidates who will be graduating in 2025 or 2024 and they're looking out for roles in Amazon. Make sure you do attend these webinars. You get to know about Amazon. You'll have more interest in becoming a software engineer. So this is something that I wanted to inform through this particular challenge. I hope you understood the entire process of Amazon WoW, and if you want to prepare about it more, you can join the Telegram group where I might share some resources that will be able to help you for Amazon WoW. Also, if there's any update about tests or any update about interviews, I'll keep on sharing in that Telegram group. Make sure you do join that Telegram group, and do let me know in the comment section if you have watched this video till the end. This will motivate me to make more such amazing videos for you. Thank you so much everyone. All the best. Good luck.